Space effects, reverb, and delay are what make your mix feel three-dimensional. Without them, everything is flat and two-dimensional, pushed right in your face. Used correctly, they create depth, width, and a sense of place. Think of your mix in three zones: the front, kick, snare, lead, melody; dry, present, right in the listener's space; the middle, distance, hi-hats, supporting melodies, rhythm elements; short room, reverb, background presence without competing; the far, pads, atmospheric textures; long haul, reverb, heavily wet. This creates the atmosphere, the air surrounding everything else. Use reverb on an aux send, never an insert. This gives you control over the reverb independently of the dry signal. Cut low frequencies from every reverb return, high pass at 200 Hz. This prevents reverb from muddying your low end. And remember, less is more. The amateur instinct is to add reverb to make things bigger. But too much reverb pushes elements away from the listener and destroys mix clarity. Keep your front elements dry. Add reverb to create context, not to increase size. Module 3.